Video, we're going to cover how to use grade expectations to manage data quality in Sparkflows. For this example workflow, we have loaded in the housing dataset, which contains real estate data, and we are using the grade expectations node to check our data quality before we start our other data science steps. Here on the left, under the Data Quality tab, we can then go to the Grade Expectations folder, and this is where we will find our Grade Expectations nodes. We can configure each of these nodes with min and max values or other parameters to help decide how we want to determine our data quality parameters. After we have set up our different nodes, we have two ways of viewing our execution or the results of our data quality checks. The first is in the executions page itself. By printing out our grade expectations nodes using the print end rows node, we can then view the result in the execution page itself. However, an easier way is using our data quality tab. Under the Data Quality tab, we can then go to each of the executions that corresponds to our particular dataset, and we can check the status of each of our grade expectation nodes all in one place. Here we can see we have checked that the table row counts themselves are between the values that we've set, which they are not. We can expect the values to be unique in the ID column, which they are. However, they are not in the price column. And we can check whether values are between our set parameters or whether they are null. We can also go back to the workflow, and then we can change the parameters which we set earlier. In this case, we will loosen our restrictions on the number of bedrooms from 1 to 4 and change it to 0 to 10. Now we can execute this workflow and view the results in the Data Quality tab again. Here we can see our other results are the same, but now we have changed from a red status to a green status in our bedrooms quality check. In this way, the Grade Expectations tab under the Data Quality section changes based on the executions. We can also set up workflows to run automatically and simply check back in the Data Quality tab for the latest results. Thank you for listening.